What did Jesus say about hate? Bible nuggets. According to the Bible, Jesus taught against hate and encouraged love, even for one's enemies. Here are some relevant verses and takeaways. Relevant Bible verses. You have heard that it was said, love your neighbor and hate your enemy. But I tell you, love your enemies and pray for those who persecute you. Matthew 5:43-44. But to you who are listening I say, love your enemies, do good to those who hate you, bless those who curse you, pray for those who mistreat you. Luke 6:27-28. Whoever claims to love God yet hates a brother or sister is a liar. For whoever does not love their brother and sister, whom they have seen, cannot love God, whom they have not seen. 1 John 4:20. 3 main takeaways. 1. Love and forgiveness, not hate, should be extended to everyone, including enemies and those who persecute or mistreat us. 2. Hatred and lack of love towards others are incompatible with truly loving God, as God is love. 1 John 4:8. 3. Jesus' teachings on love and non-hatred were revolutionary for their time and stood in stark contrast to the prevailing cultural norms of hating one's enemies. In summary, Jesus consistently taught against hate and emphasized the importance of love, forgiveness, and even praying for one's enemies, setting a high standard for his followers to embrace. Greg Gaines. Father, grandfather, minister, missionary, deacon, elder, author, digital missionary, foster parents. Welcome to our family. https://jesusleadershiptraining.com/about us/